Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my platform collection. If you haven't checked it out, I have a playlist on my channel called A Closer Look Into My Closet, and that is where I show you guys a closer look into my closet. I just show you guys like all the little details in my closet and all the different things that I have. And if you have any suggestions or video ideas, let me know. I'll be happy to take your ideas because I need more ideas for videos right now, so anything is appreciated. I'm gonna quit talking and let's get started. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching this collection. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, comment what your favorite pair was. Do you like to wear platforms? Comment whatever you want to. I love when you guys talk to me. And Jack and I will see you guys in our next video.